Sammy is going to go ahead and let the bird climb up on her shoulder. The last time the bird did this, the bird did not want to.
I'm really scared again.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, no, no.
It's okay. Just come here. Bird's not going to hurt you, Samma.
Please,
He loves you.
please stop it. Please. No, don't stop the video.
He's not on you anymore, see? He likes to play with your sweatshirt. You want to get him? You want to take him home? You want a bird?
Ow! Ow!
Sam, if he's hurting you, don't go near him.
No, you can't go up there. No!
Don't, Sammy, don't put your face by him like that. Maybe we need to put him back in the cage. He seems to be running away now. He seems to know he's free. We need help here.
Okay, Mother, please stop.
He's coming to get Sammy. He's coming to get Sammy. Samantha!
Please stop videotaping.
Hey, Big Poog. You see the Big Poog?
No.
Don't be flapping your
I'm
arms.
trying to get him to go over there. No, you can't go over there.
We probably need some help.
Mother, stop.
Where's the size of that Poog?